Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is now my magnetic lamp. This is the metal thing to be magnetized. This is the electromagnet. For this door to be locked, we must have to energize the electromagnet. The power supply of this one is just 9 volts. But for security reason, you will we will be using another what you call this power supply in the actual locking of this. For this purpose now, I will just use a 9-volt battery to show that when I energize this electromagnet, this door is locked. Okay, so this is the one to be magnetized. This is the electromagnet. I will now be getting my 9-volt battery. For the meantime, I do not have the controller. I will order the controller for this one. So when I go in or go out, we will be using the controller or maybe a remote control, something like that. But for what I call this showing purposes, I will just show that I will try to magnetize or energize this electromagnet by using a 9-volt battery. The green one is for the positive and the yellow one is for the negative. For the 9-volt battery, the smaller head is actually the plus and the bigger one is the minus. So I will now connect the minus. Okay. The electromagnet is not yet energized. To show you that the door is not locked, okay, it's not locked. It's not locked. So when I energize the electromagnet and I will close the door is already locked. Okay, I will try to energize. The electromagnet is now energized. The door is open. So when I close it, okay, it's locked already. It is locked. Okay, it is locked. So to open this one, we must have to cut the circuit, what you call this, energizing the electromagnet. Okay, for the meantime, the electromagnet is energized. So when we try to open the door is locked. Okay, it's locked. It's locked. So if I want to open the door, when I got the controller already, I will what do you call this? Disconnect one of the lines by using a push button or a push button, but a remote control thing maybe. So I could de-energize the electromagnet. For the meantime, for just showing purposes, I will try to remove the what do you call this electricity passing through the electromagnet coming from the battery. So to open this door, okay, I must have to remove one terminal. Okay, the electromagnet is not anymore without any current, so we can open the door. Okay, so without electric current on the electromagnet, we could not lock the door. Okay, for one more time, I will try to energize again the electromagnet. Okay, it's energized again. So when I close the door, okay, that metal thing at the back is magnetized. Okay, there's a holding force coming from the electromagnet, so we could not open the door. Okay. Okay, that's it guys. So that's how a magnetic lock operates by using an electromagnet. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David de Los Reyes. Okay, I will open the door again. I will try to remove the electric current passing the electromagnet. And we could open the door. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David de Los Reyes.